Alright, I'm just going to show you. Me and the kids earlier, we did this, and then we made some individual little soaps. But right now, I'm just going to show you the ivory soap in the microwave. Just a regular bar of ivory soap. Put it on a plate. You're going to put it in the microwave. And you are going to set it for 2 minutes. And I just wanted to show y'all what it looks like as it is cooking. And ivory soap can only be used, no other soap. Ivory soap has like air bubbles in it, and it's the only soap that floats in water. So this is the only soap you can actually do this with. But we got about 38 seconds left, and it is humongous. I just think it's a cool little thing to do with kids, especially being in quarantine. And then after we did this, we got a blender and we blended it up with some dye and let them sit in some cookie cutters, and they turned out like this. Did a lion, and then we did this one here, a star. But after the 2 minutes, this is what you'll get. And it's all over in here. It's basically fluff. It literally feels, you can pick the whole entire thing up. It's just fluff. But give it a try, it's pretty cool.